Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see detailed demonstration about trading using Plus500 platform. This is an application also, Android and iOS. I am providing you detailed demonstration using my Mac. So let's start as the demonstration how to use it. Plus500 trading point of view. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and type here Plus500 Trade. First link is display here. I am putting this link in same video description. You just simply click here. Look at this here, trade, CFDs, shares, proxy and cryptocurrency. Start now and demo point of view options are available here. You can scroll down here and search out here. So many big brand is collaboration with each other. You can using those wallet and invest your money, like suppose Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, banks. So now before start anything, we first of all sign up here. You just simply click here login point of view. So currently I have no login. I just simply don't have any account. Create one. So I create my account. As a create account point of view, I am using my Google account, Google, Facebook or Apple ID. So I go with my Google account. As a Google account point of view, I use my email address here. So I am using my email address. Definitely my account is created here. Wait couple of seconds. So look at this here. Almost my account is ready. So we can click here. Yes, my account is created here. It's very simple process to account create. And here my basic information. Verify your account. As a verify account point of view, register your account, deposit here some money like first name, last name, surname. So I type here my first name, last name, date of birth. You just type here date of birth, month. Next, which country you are living. So automatically country are generating here the system. Next, street, your address. So here CPR is a unique identity number related on Denmark or financial sector. As a total trading experience, you have trading experience or not. So like suppose for example share, bond and commodity more than 100, 50 to 100, 20 to 50, less than 20, never trade. So I go with never trade. Here OTC also no experience, never trade. Next, do you have trade education, professional qualification related on financial sector? So you can say yes or no if you have experience related on financial. So I go with no. And you have deposit 3000 Danish krona or larger than 1.100. What is the maximum amount you want trade with this? 3000 or 100 krona. So which number you are selecting? Less than position, move market. Next, so I go with 100. Next, employment, self-employment, employee, retire, unemployed, student. I am not politically exposed. Here annual income, you select your annual income, business, sell, invest, person, government benefit, and here select your approximate amount. So what is the occupation, frequency, transaction, daily, weekly or monthly? So I go with monthly. Trading, self investment, short term investment. So I go with short term investment. How you pay or how you find your account, credit card, debit card. So I select here PayPal and it's simple. Almost my account is ready. So verification point of view, you need to upload here your passport ID photo, address means your health card if I am living in Denmark, mobile number. So mobile number, it's very simple to verify here. Email address, professional account related information, I already put it here my information. You can use this process and create or verify your account completely. Now second point is come trade. So you just simply click here that trade. As a trading point of view, here Euro, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, some other cryptocurrencies available here. It's very simple. You want buy, so you click here and buy this cryptocurrency. You want sell, so you just simply click here and sell the cryptocurrency or any other order related information. All orders are generating here automatically. Close the position if you order something and you want close, so list are display here accordingly. You one message are come here closing time, so you can close accordingly. Fund related informations are available here. Using this option funds, you can deposit and withdraw very easily. As a deposit point of view, my account under review now. After finish the reviewing, you just simply click here deposit, some credit card, debit card or PayPal or bank related three option generating. Using one of them, you can very easily deposit. As a withdrawal point of view, you can very easily withdraw using this agreement and finish. After doing this process, you can very easily withdraw or whatever you want. Account related snapshot, payment method, contact us related informations are available like here 24/7. You just simply type your name and your problem and upload this problem related image if you have, and then send the query. It's very easy. Brightness related options are available here. Real money related informations are available here. If you are investing some money European market or US market, so this platform is quite amazing. Create your account and invest your money and buy and sell cryptocurrency or topmost company related shares. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.